So this is a video to help show you how to do this assignment called Record Your Rolls. So if you have a game at home that has a dice in it, you can grab that dice, or you can use this website that says Roll a Die. So I'm going to click on that really quickly. And so here's the website. So I can click roll and it's going to roll a dice. And so that would be a 4. And then I can click roll again and it just does the rolls for you. So if you want to use this app or this website, I would suggest you click this button here. And what that does is expand it into another window. And that way you can have your dice on another window and you can also have your Schoology up. So on my Schoology, I'm actually going to go up to the top corner here and click Previous. So when I click on my assignment, it's going to come up and it's going to look like this because this is a Google Docs assignment. And then it'll say assignment in my document. So here's the description that I've written. It says, watch this video about how to complete this assignment. That's the video I'm making right now, so it'll be in here. Once you're finished watching the video, once you're finished with the assignment, make sure you click submit. So then I'm going to go to my document. And on my document, you're going to have to log into your Google Drive so that you can actually see this assignment. So you can use your parents' Google email, anything like that, and then it'll pop up. So you can click edit to edit the assignment and then submit assignment when you're finished with the assignment. Okay, so I'm going to go over to my actual screen. So this is what you're going to see when you put in your Google and you're able to look at it. And you can see, it's kind of hard, that I have notes over here to the side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll my dice. So I'm going to roll, and I got a 4. So I'm going to go back to my assignment. 4 is a quarter note. I'm going to click on the quarter note. And here's where it's a little bit weird. I'm going to go up to edit, which you guys can't see right now. I'm going to go up to edit, and I'm actually going to copy that note, and then I'm going to paste it. So there I have 2 notes, and that way I can drag it. That's my first roll. I rolled a 4, so I need a quarter note. All right, so let's do one more. I'm going to go up to my roll my dice, and I got a 3 that time. So go back to my document. 3 is a quarter rest. So I'm going to click on the quarter rest. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it. And then I'm going to drag that over to my roll number 2. So I'm just going to keep going until I finish all of my rolls. All right, I hope that works out for everybody. Let me know if you have any problems doing this assignment. Thank you and good luck.